Happy hour isn't just a discount, it's an opportunity. And it's not just for bars, restaurants can get in on happy hour too. But to truly stand out, you need to be more creative than just half off. The best happy hours are experiences that get people in the door and keep them coming back. Here are 7 happy hour ideas. Happy hour combos. Boost both your food and drink sales by bundling them together. Offer a deal like $12 for a beer and a slider, or a discounted signature cocktail paired with a small bite. This encourages guests to order more than just a single drink and increases their total check size. Trivia night. Turn your happy hour into a can't-miss event. Host a weekly trivia night or even a board game night. These activities encourage group participation and give people a reason to stay for more than one round, creating a fun, communal atmosphere that goes far beyond just drinking. Reverse happy hour. Late hours can be happy too. Offer special discounts late at night to attract a new crowd, like industry workers getting off their shifts or night owls looking for a post-dinner spot. This fills your seats during a different slow period and builds loyalty with a new demographic. The element of chance. Turn happy hour into a game. Instead of a standard discount, let customers spin a prize wheel with different specials, like a $5 margarita or a BOGO beer. The excitement of not knowing what they'll get makes happy hour interactive and fun. Weather-based deals. Make your happy hour irresistible by tying it to something everyone talks about, the weather. On a hot summer day, offer $1 off drinks for every 10 degrees over 80 degrees to bring people in for a refreshing escape. Or on a gloomy, rainy afternoon, run a special like half-price beer when it rains to turn a slow day into a busy one. The charity happy hour. Give your guests a feel-good reason to visit. Donate a portion of your happy hour drink sales to a local charity. Customers will feel good about their purchase, and it helps build goodwill in the community, positioning your bar as a place that cares. And the VIP experience. Give your customers a reason to feel like a VIP. Create a password-protected special. Promote a secret happy hour deal on social media, and guests have to whisper the password to the bartender to get the discount. This makes them feel like an insider and creates an immediate connection. Let us know your favorite happy hour theme in the comments below.